my name is Riddhi Rana and I have been preparing for NEET 2020 for 1 year coaching in EDUPACE, and it was a quite great experience and I've learned so much from EDUPACE. Like, the teachers give me so much attention I've never had before. I also went 1 year to Chandigarh in some institute. I don't want to name that institute, but there was no attention to any kind of student. Like, I got 10th rank or 11th rank, nobody asked me. But here, even I get 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, every teacher know my name. And they always motivate me for having good marks. And there have been weekly tests. So I prepare regularly, not stopping. And I always think that study material should be great. And I was quite surprised by EDUPACE study material, that it was quite sufficient for me. And I only prefer the NCERT books and the EDUPACE coaching studying material, and that was great. And teacher was fantastic, and the staff was also very nice. And in Corona time, I feel I was a little depressed, but then suddenly I got a call from EDUPACE. That was our MD sir, and he really motivated me, and he asked me to give the test series of EDUPACE. And I was, I get motivated by my insight that I should give this test, and I was quite surprised that the test was completely from NCERT, and more I started learning briefly NCERT, and I was very confident about myself.